Evening guys, welcome back to another video. It's currently 9:24 Friday evening and we'll be looking at what occurred during the week. So as we can see, our low, this was our low and that was our high, and the market did not continue in that bearish momentum it had the prior week. As you can see, it tried to it was gaining momentum. As you can see that when we opened on the Monday, it hit there. We have that resistance, that support zone, not resistance, that support zone, and from there it's been gaining momentum, as you can see. And now it's up, the market's about to close in. It's just a few hours. You can see we are shooting towards our high, and what was our low? We had 29, but now it's been a really bullish direction for Us30. As for German, you can see that we had that ABCD pattern, and the market did fulfill the pattern, shooting up again before reaching this area. Let's see, right at that area we did have that's a hammer and a bearish engulfing, or a hanging man and a bearish engulfing, as you can see. And that's where this downward trend, this downward channel was formed, and it came to that support area, failing to hitting a retest and then bouncing back up. And as we can see with this area right here, right, let me just extend it. This area right here, it give us a first touch, second touch. You couldn't break that downward trend line to the upside, but as you can see, if we look at here, okay, so I don't know what caused this time gap or market jump, but you can see that it helped. The market did try and it gave us that three candles, and then the market gap, the volatility gap, that's what made it to open on a higher note. So yeah, that was it for Ger40. Right here we have gold, and you can see in gold that we had this area right here, this support zone. It did try to come back to test it, but didn't have enough bearish momentum in order to come to it, so it closed there, creating, as you can see, it created another support zone with that formation right there, and then came down. You can see it's about to close, but we are still in the bearish move. But if you look at that overall symmetric triangle from the forecast, weekly forecast, we are closing in, and we could be seeing a nice continuation of the current trend. Market open next week. This was US100, and you can see also US100 had a bullish momentum as well. It did try and reach that we were in this downward channel, as you can see, those blue lines, and that was our low, the yellow line, and this was our high. But you can see that now it is building up to reach, let me just do this. You can see that you can see it. Let me just put it. Sorry for that. Let me just, yeah, you can see that it is approaching that downward trend line to see if it gives a retest, but the market is gonna close. We might have this jump when it opens on Monday, But the overall was a bullish momentum for the week for US 100. Now we can check out gold, Bitcoin. I mean, did it have? Oh yes, you can see this. This was the low, the rebalance of gold of Bitcoin, and the low, that area there. We had that, a doji, and then that candlestick, that bullish candlestick, and you can see now that it's come back to retest that high and tending low. Now we can see we're in a bullish direction. We are in a bullish direction. We'll see just how the market goes during the weekend. But yeah guys, that's gonna be us for the weekly review. Hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on Sunday for the weekly forecast.